homosexuality is haram.
Read this in the media and one is quite surprised, in fact shocked to note that that the NMC is coming out with such a construct, especially when homosexuality stands decriminalized, and it's something that has been considered by no less than the Honorable Supreme Court of India. So given that position, one wonders on what basis has this come, and obviously the organization here will have to come out with its explanation.
होमोसेक्सुअलिटी ये किसी भी सभ्य समाज में ये इसका मतलब मान्यता नहीं है, बिल्कुल जुर्म है, क्राइम है, और मेडिकल काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया भी इसी तरह की अगर बात कर रहे हैं बिल्कुल सही है। हम जिन्सों में जो सेक्सुअल ये तो बहुत बड़ा ऑफेंस है। मैं नहीं समझता हूँ कि किसी धर्म में भी इसको अलाउ किया है। इस्लाम में तो बहुत सख्त इसकी वो है, मजम्मत है। मेडिकल काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया जो उनके पाठ्यक्रम में या जो भी उनका सुझाव है, जो ये सेक्सुअल ऑफेंस है, ये क्राइम है, बिल्कुल ठीक बोला है। और इस तरह ये गलत चीज़ों में किसी को इन्वॉल्व नहीं होना चाहिए।
Let's in the meantime get you as far as the National Medical Commission is concerned, with all the pressure and the outrage that came in from various communities. It has now withdrawn the new MBBS curriculum. The National Medical Commission has withdrawn the new MBBS curriculum. The guidelines that stands withdrawn, and they have been cancelled with immediate effect. Now, this is coming across as a big development now as far as the revision earlier, which triggered a showdown. Akansha, good morning. With the new MBBS curriculum has now been recalled, it's been taken back. But however, there still needs to be an explanation on how it was brought about in the first place.
Good morning to you too, Amita. Now, this after the outrage, this controversial and regressive guidelines by the National Medical Commission, that is NMC, have now been withdrawn and cancelled, is what the Undergraduate Medical Education Board yesterday said, 5 days after these guidelines were issued, that went on to reintroduce sodomy as well as lesbianism as unnatural sexual offences. Remember, 2 years back, after the direction of the Madras High Court, NMC had directed all the medical education institutions to amend any wrong info, any discriminatory info on LGBTQ+. This was on the base of Madras High Court order. Then 2 years later, they themselves reintroduced sodomy and lesbianism as unnatural sexual offences. Yesterday, we saw the outrage, the comments coming from transgender rights activists, disability activists. One of the doctors also wrote to the Union Health Minister seeking his intervention, saying that this is against the transgender rights, and also this is transphobic and homophobic. We also spoke to the doctors after these guidelines were withdrawn and cancelled, and then they've told us that we cannot afford to be complacent, as NMC has a history of making multiple U-turns.
All right.
So it remains to be seen what really the guidelines are when they are revised. We get
well, still Akansha doesn't give an explanation exactly how it was brought about in the first place as far as the changes or the revision in the curriculum is concerned. But however, right after the outrage that came out, and when it comes to questions that were also raised over this revision, it now stands withdrawn. It's now been taken back. Thank you very much for the moment, Akansha, for joining in. Let's